If you're wondering how long it takes to withdraw GetResponse earnings, you're in the right place. You might be eager to access the money you've earned, but you'll want to know the specifics before making that first withdrawal. Stick with me, because in this quick explainer, I'll walk you through the entire process and answer exactly how long it really takes. First things first, GetResponse doesn't offer instant withdrawals. While that may be frustrating for some, it's pretty typical of most affiliate programs. The process involves a couple of steps and can take anywhere from 5 to 10 business days, depending on your withdrawal method. This is because GetResponse uses secure payment systems and has to ensure all the information is processed correctly, so you're not facing delays later on. Next thing to know, the minimum payout threshold. Before you can request a withdrawal, you need to have earned at least $50 in commissions. It might take some time to reach that threshold if you're just starting out, but once you do, you can request your payout. If you're on a more limited earning schedule, that might feel like a barrier, especially if you're hoping for quicker access to your funds. The third thing is the available payout methods. GetResponse offers a few options such as bank transfers, PayPal, or wire transfers. While PayPal is often the fastest option, keep in mind that each payment method might have slightly different processing times. So if you're aiming for the quickest withdrawal, PayPal tends to be your best bet, with payouts taking around 5 business days in most cases. Bank transfers, however, can take a bit longer due to the way they're processed. Now, let's talk about fees. Most withdrawal methods come with fees, which can cut into your earnings if you're not careful. PayPal, for example, typically has fees associated with the transaction, depending on the country you're in. While GetResponse doesn't charge extra for withdrawals, the third-party payment services usually do, so make sure to factor that into your decision-making process. The fifth thing to note is the affiliate program's approval process. GetResponse will review your earnings before you can withdraw them. This adds another layer of time, as it ensures that all earnings are legitimate and that you've met their criteria for commissions. If you're withdrawing from a newly set up account, this process might be even longer as they need to verify your details. Lastly, if you're looking for an even faster way to access your earnings, it's worth considering alternatives to GetResponse. While it's a solid option for email marketing, when it comes to affiliate earnings, there are programs that offer faster withdrawals, better support, and more flexible payment options. In fact, I've found a competitor that excels in giving quicker payouts with fewer fees, and it has an exclusive, extended free trial offer through my link that you won't find anywhere else. So here's what you need to know. GetResponse withdrawal times are generally reliable, but they aren't the quickest. It can take up to 10 business days depending on your method, and don't forget to factor in the fees. But if you want an even better experience with quicker access to your earnings, check out my link for the best free trial and exclusive benefits that will give you a better deal, along with other alternatives that could serve you better in the long run. Through our link, you'll get that extended free trial plus some extra perks. Don't miss out on this.